Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am done some spooky nails. First push back your cuticles. Then file and buff your nails to remove nail shine. Then use dehydrator and primer to remove extra shine of nails. Today I am done some gel X nails. Then choose right size of nail tip and hard gel. Take right amount of hard gel. Then press nail downward from back to front side. Then cure for 60 seconds. Then using nail drill machine to separate cuticles from nails. Then give shape as you want. Then apply base color to all. I am choosing some nude shade. And apply to all and cure for 60 seconds. Then apply matte top coat and give some filing. Here I am using 4D hard gel and try to make some spooky eyes. Then apply base color to match it with nail and then cure for 60 seconds and use some red polish to make it spooky like blood. Then use 4D hard gel to make eye. Then I'm using blue and green eye color and I make some lines with red polish to make it more realistic. Then use 4D hard gel, non-sticky gel and roll it with your hands. Then make like some torn mask design. Really guys, I'm facing a lot of difficulties to make this torn design. It consumes a lot of time. Then I'm apply base color, cure for 60 seconds, then apply red color polish to make it spooky and more realistic. Then I'm trying to make some spooky hands. Then I'm spread this red polish to make it like Halloween hand. Then clean your brush and apply some red polish to your fingertip to to make more realistic spooky nails to give a hand design. Then take a straw and apply red polish to the point and apply that red polish. Then use your finger to spread it. Then apply top coat to all nails. Then apply cuticle oil. Here we done. It helps to bring back moisture and softer and stronger your skin. I hope you all like this video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel and comment for next type of nail tutorial videos. Bye bye.